Sakalayan Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Intelligence engaged in my devotion cannot be thwarted at any time. Even at the time of creation, as well as at the time of annihilation, your remembrance will continue by my mercy. Devotional service rendered to the personality of Godhead never goes in vain. Since the personality of Godhead is eternal, intelligence applied in his service, or anything done in his relation, is also permanent. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said that such transcendental service, rendered unto the personality of Godhead, accumulates birth after birth, and when the devotee is fully matured, the total service counted together makes him eligible to enter into the association of the personality of Godhead. Such accumulation of God's service is never vanquished, but increases till fully matured.